In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics to measure your campaign. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Mailchimp account and that you have access to the Google account you want to connect. Having the right permissions on both sides will make the process smooth. Also, temporarily disable pop-up blockers if you use them, since the authorization window may open in a new tab. From your Mailchimp dashboard, head to the integrations area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is the central hub where Mailchimp connects with other platforms, and it's the quickest way to link your campaigns to Google's measurement ecosystem. Once you're in integrations, use the search bar and type Google. This filters the gallery so you don't have to scroll through everything. You should see Google-related options appear right away. Searching first is a simple way to avoid clicking through multiple pages and helps ensure you pick the exact connector you need. Select Google Lead Ads from the results. This page gives you an overview of what the connection does and the types of data it can pass between Google and Mailchimp. Even though the name focuses on lead ads, connecting here establishes the link that helps align your Mailchimp activity with Google's tracking and reporting workflows. Take a second to review what's shared and confirm it aligns with your data policies and consent practices. Click Connect. Mailchimp will open a secure Google sign-in and permissions prompt. Choose the correct Google account for your business and review the requested permissions carefully. Grant access to continue. When authorization completes, you'll be routed back to Mailchimp and should see the status change to connected. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. You can always return to this screen later to disconnect or reauthorize if your credentials change. With the connection in place, you're set up to measure the impact of your Mailchimp campaigns alongside your website performance in Google's reporting tools. As you build future campaigns, use clear, consistent naming and tracking parameters so sessions and conversions are easy to recognize in your analytics. Consistent campaign names, sources, and mediums make dashboards cleaner and attribution more accurate. If you run into issues during connection, double-check you're using the right Google account. Confirm you have admin access, and ensure your browser isn't blocking the authorization window. Once everything is connected, you've created a reliable bridge between Mailchimp and Google, making it easier to evaluate results, optimize spend, and grow with data-backed decisions.